As such, many experts believe that the best way to ensure a positive future for AI is to focus on developing a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines, where each can contribute their unique strengths to solve complex problems and create new opportunities. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely that new opportunities will emerge for humans to work alongside advanced machines in a variety of fields. For example, in the healthcare sector, AI is being used to improve diagnostics and treatment options, but human doctors and nurses still play a critical role in providing care and support to patients. Likewise, in the business world, AI can be used to analyze data and make predictions about future trends, but human managers and executives still play a key role in making decisions and developing strategies. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it is important to consider the ethical implications of this technology. For example, who is responsible if an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm? How do we ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is fair and just for all people? It is clear that humans will play a critical role in developing and implementing ethical standards for AI, and ensuring that this technology is used in a way that benefits society as a whole. While the potential benefits of AI are vast, there are also significant challenges that must be addressed in order to ensure a positive future for this technology. For example, how do we ensure that AI is developed in a way that is transparent and accountable?